then Google Chrome if it wants to open. Let's see. Okay. There we go. All right. And the launching pad for everything is the westparkcultural.org's website. So once you log into the website, this is the home page. And before we go into the parent dashboard and student portfolios, I want to quickly point out that we have 3 exciting programs that are being offered for spring 2020 going into the summer. We have an Act and Write program. We also have an online art ceramics program, as well as our photography program. All of these courses are free. They were created in response to our, the COVID pandemic. Now that we are not able to meet in person, we are pleased to be able to have these virtual art programs for children of all ages. So you want to definitely register and check it out, again, by going to the westparkculture.org's website. Okay, so now that that's out the way, I'm going to show you how to log into the parent dashboard. The parent dashboard is accessible from the homepage. You want to click on it. And I happen to already be logged into the dashboard, so I'm going to quickly log out. Okay, so if I was not logged in, this is where I would be directed. From this page, you can register if you are a new user, or if you were registered before and you don't remember your password, you can reset it very easily here on your own. Because I know my username and password, I'm just going to go ahead and log in. All right. So once in, you can see this is the home page, I guess, if you will, of the parent dashboard. So it's a few things that you can do. You can give the program feedback by completing a parent survey. Here you'll get important updates related to the program. And this is, of course, with COVID-19 and school closings, we have that information listed up here because it drastically, changed. That was a very important update, to say the least. So it's listed here up front. And one of the more exciting things is that you can view your student's portfolio by going here. So I'm just going to click on a child's portfolio. Okay, so this is how you would access it from your parent dashboard. But if you have not created an account and you don't have a parent dashboard yet, I'm going to show you how to do that going through the West Park's homepage again. Oops, no, I don't want that. Okay. All right, so again, from the home page, you would just come here and click on student portfolios. And then you can still have access to the, each child's portfolio. I'm going to click on, select one of the students. Click on Nairobi's. I'm going to search for her. Okay. And I just learned this. I was searching one by one for children, but the search box here, you can easily get to your child's portfolio. So here, you'll instantly see, once you're on the portfolio, you'll instantly see their name, an up-to-date photo of the child, and also a short bio about them, what they like. And this is so cute because it's nice to kind of see how they change and grow through the years. Here is Roby's, and here is some of her work that she did back in July 2018 on her student portfolio. This page also shows some of the art or the disciplines that she was involved in. She was in the summer camp. So that's listed there. And you can also see a selection of her work. So here's some of her photography, her artwork created at camp. Her ceramic dish that she made, I still have that bowl somewhere. And you can even see a sample of her writing. Again, very nice as children grow to go back and you can have an online record of their artwork. One of the most important features is that we can give our children feedback on their art. So this is similar to like a social media platform where you will comment. So I'm just going to go ahead and just click, still proud of you. Keep up the good work. And children love, anybody loves encouragement, but especially children. They love to know that you are checking out their portfolio, giving them feedback, keeping them engaged and motivated, because really that's definitely what it's all about. So all comments have to be approved by our administrator. So that's why it's not showing up here. But here's an old comment that I made back in 2017. And so that's it in a nutshell. So you now know how to log into your parent dashboard account, and you also know how to click on and comment on your student portfolios. If you have any questions, please email me at ashabazz@westparkcultural.org. Stay connected, and we're here for you. Thank you.
Peace. Don't forget to say peace. Peace.